Excuse me, hi. I haven't seen you here before. Are you new to the neighborhood?
Yes, I am. I just moved here a few days ago.
Oh, welcome. I'm Marco. What's your name?
I'm Miranda. Nice to meet you, Marco.
Nice to meet you too, Miranda. Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto, in Canada. And you?
I'm from Rome, Italy, but I've been living here for 2 years.
That's great. How do you like it here?
I like it a lot. It's a small city, but it's very peaceful. People are friendly and life is slower. What do you think so far?
I like it too. It's very clean and quiet. I walked in the park yesterday. It was beautiful.
Ah yes, the Central Park is very nice. In spring, there are so many flowers. You should go again next month.
I will. Do you go there often?
Yes, I go jogging there in the mornings. Do you like jogging?
Not really. I prefer walking or doing yoga.
That's nice. I tried yoga once, but I'm not flexible at all.
It's okay. Yoga is more about relaxing than stretching.
True. So, what do you do here? Are you working or studying?
I'm studying English. I joined the language school downtown.
Really? I study there too. What level are you in?
I think beginner level 2. I start on Monday.
That's great. I'm in the same class. Our teacher's name is Sarah.
Oh, wow. It's good to already know someone in the class.
Yes, it makes things easier. Where do you live now?
Live on Green Street, near the bakery.
No way! I live just around the corner. I pass that bakery every day.
They have the best croissants. I bought one yesterday.
Yes, their chocolate croissants are amazing. So, do you have any plans this weekend?
Not really. I'm still unpacking my boxes, but I want to explore the city a bit. Maybe visit the museum or the library.
I can show you around if you want. I'm free on Saturday.
Really? That would be wonderful. Thank you, Marco.
You're welcome. I remember how hard it was when I first arrived. It's always nice to have a friend.
I agree. I'm glad we met.
Me too. Let's exchange numbers. I'll text you the time for Saturday.
My number is 555-0123.
Got it. I'll send you a message.
Perfect. See you in class on Monday and maybe Saturday too.
Definitely. Have a great day, Miranda.
You too, Marco. Bye.